Okay, just fitting the new slide, um, the guide and the modified extension bench. First thing I noticed when I put it on this part of the bench here is that there's free play within the groove before I clamp it. And also when I do put the handle down, it goes down very easily, which is different to over this section, which I'll demonstrate shortly. And you'll notice the straight edge guide or the groove on the deck, and you can see how much movement is in this guide with very little effort. I'm, 2 fingers, that's just moving quite dramatically. Okay, so I'll remove the guide now off the modified extension, put it onto the table saw deck itself. Now, first thing you'll notice here, there is very little movement within the groove where it sits, as opposed to this free play here. First obvious thing. Now, when I lower the handle, it's quite firm from the get-go to try and lock it in. Once it's locked in, and then again, 2 fingers, you'll see I get some movement, but it's moderate. It's probably 1.5 mil at best, as opposed to 3-4+ mil on the other side. So while the modification that you have made probably stops the front of this table saw flexing by the angle that you've put underneath, it doesn't address the issues of the free play in this groove. It's almost that you need a completely separate guide when moving to this. The other concern is that I noted when I bolted it together, the sheet metal housing had a bit of flex up in here when I was putting the Allen key back in. So it just would seem on the face of things that the sheet metal version of this table extension is the problem, as opposed to the cast version of the full saw table. Thank you.